My name has been cited. You allowed members to cite my name.
No.
But on this particular one, you haven't given a ruling on the...
I gave a ruling. I gave a ruling that the presiding officer made a ruling on this, and we cannot move away from that ruling. Can we now go to...
Thank you, Right Honourable Speaker. Right Honourable Speaker, I did...
Honourable Ssekikubo.
Because it's too much.
Honourable Ssekikubo, the same respect I give you, please, can we move to the next item? Don't push me into a corner. Aliona, I will give you. You sit. You first sit. Yes.
As you might be aware, Right Honourable Speaker, I'm a lead petitioner of 186 members of this House, your House, who appended their signatures for the motion. Right Honourable Speaker, the motion was duly submitted through the clerk. A notice was issued, and according to the rules, at that point, it was self-executing, so that within 14 days, that matter could be on the order paper, and then it would be for the debate. We came to know of certain interventions. I rose on procedure, Honourable. I rose on procedure. I rose on procedure.
It is okay. You'll respond to what he says. Let him continue the procedure. You'll respond.
And I didn't expect Honourable Salirwa to jump up. You as well. Right Honourable Speaker, after the mandatory 14 days, we were made to know that there are certain interventions that happened where some individuals went to court, and indeed a copy of the ruling was made available. However, the procedure point we are raising, Right Honourable Speaker, in the correspondences that followed, we requested as petitioners to sever the areas that were considered res judicata. On top of that, Right Honourable Speaker, we expected that the matter would be placed on the order paper so that you may rule against us. We don't say that we must win this, but the matter had to be captured by the Hansard and put on the order paper, then you make a ruling. And Right Honourable Speaker, you can only rule while you are in chair, because that's where you derive your mandate over this august House. Right Honourable Speaker, the procedure point I'm raising is that having gone through all that, and a third of your members, even if they are unreasonable, even if they did not understand much, but there is a point of concern about corruption. They wanted that matter debated by this House. They wanted to have opportunity to remove the commissioners. On other grounds, leave alone the service award. On other grounds, misconduct is part of it. You have misbehavior, part of it, incompetence, part of it, irregular recruitment, part of it, and indeed, you have other matters that we took consideration of that involve...
Can you finish?
Yes, that was involving having fictitious trips made by some of the members of this House. Right, Honourable Speaker, are we procedural right for us to receive a letter purportedly giving a ruling, yet you've never sat in the chair, the matter has never been cause listed or put on the order paper, so that you rule on a matter which is captured by the Hansard? This matter was competently supported and supported by members of this House.
Okay, you're finished.
Are we proceeding right for us to receive a correspondence purporting to be a ruling, yet we know you've never sat in the chair to have the matter on the order paper, to have it captured by the Hansard, and even if at that point you rule against the motion, it would be fine. But this has never been, and therefore, what ruling was being made and on what is the matter I want to raise.
You're finished.
An IN card and the national identification card, but our beliefs are different. For example, a Catholic like me, I'm baptized. I went for my confirmation.
First of all, you withdraw the word. You are UNBS, because it is not UNBS. It's you are a BS.
You are a BS, Madam Speaker. I seek fair indulgence. I seek fair indulgence. You are SB, Madam Speaker. Already, as we talk now in our constituencies, people are going through customary marriage, and it does not require anything like that. So we want the minister to come here and tell us what are they intending to cure, because already most of our national IDs are expired, but they have our NINI numbers, which make them somehow legitimate. So when you give such a declaration, and the church is complaining, everybody say we are waiting. Why do you want me, Sewungwe Catholic, with my baptism card? I had my confirmation. Muslims have their belief to have the national identification card to register my marriage. And this one, we need to know what are they trying to cure, Madam Speaker, because this is urgent attention, and the marriages are going on now. So are they legitimate or they are null and void ab initio?
Government.
Madam Speaker, I will request the Minister of Gender, if he has some information about this, to inform the House, but if not, we will make a statement over that matter by the Minister of Constitutional Affairs, who is in charge for the URBS.
So can we have a statement tomorrow? Because some people intend to get married tomorrow. Can we have a statement tomorrow?
The Minister for Justice and Constitutional Affairs will make a statement tomorrow about this particular matter.
Thank you.